give a damn if I stuff something up because it's always a learning experience. So I don't know. I don't really see things as a negative. I just always try to stay positive and keep going.
Would you mind sharing a little bit of some of the adversities that you went through throughout the whole process?
For sure, for sure. The first one is definitely time and understanding how much time actually needs to be invested.
Right.
Because, when you're starting a startup, like it gets busy, like there's a lot of different things and you're literally like a one-man band. And like, I mean, we have a few people that we work with at the moment, but a lot of it is just myself still. So it's very much so juggling a lot of different tasks. And I think the biggest thing, and I picked up on it very quickly and learnt about it very quickly, is how to manage your time. So basically, my schedule is like packed to the bricks every single day. Like I literally have everything scheduled for like half an hour blocks. But that's the way I found is most beneficial for me to work. So yeah, I definitely think time is the biggest one. Other adversities, yeah, I don't know. It's tough. I feel like it's a really tough one, man. um, oh, yeah, honestly, don't know apart from time. I mean, I don't really give a damn if I stuff something up because it's always a learning experience. So I don't know. I don't really see things as a negative. I just always try to stay positive and keep going.
That's a very healthy outlook to be like, so you wouldn't consider yourself a perfectionist at all then?
No. Half the content we put out is like 10 minutes before it goes live. Like legit, it's got spelling errors and everything. It's just about doing. I feel like if we're talking about designs, there's a lot of designers who try to make their content like pixel perfect every single time. I'm like, dude, it doesn't matter. Only 2% of your audience or something's going to see it. Or even if if it's your business model or anything like that, nothing has to be perfect. You just have to get stuff out, and you just have to go do.